So guys, in this video we are going to work on our outline um, for uh, for object. So for doing that, we want our house door to get outline, and let's see how is it work. So first, inside of there that we have house R, I'm going to let's create a house. Uh, so to R, create an empty object. I'm going to call it door, and I'm going to bring it up. Then I'm going to make this a house door, house R door. A door is to be so under our door. So here, and then as it's here, we need a box collider 2D. Let's adjust that box collider 2D to the size of our door. So then next things, when the player is coming here and push the button, we want to deactivate that. And for make it more beautiful, so we need to go to our square. So let's bring the light for now out, and then let's make the square is a little bit bigger. So change it and bring it down. We can also make an extra square that it's going to show that the door is open and have a light. Then you can make this light a little bit down so that it looks like the door is open. So now we can put back our light 2D again by on the light 2D, so our underscore, and then I'm going also to duplicate it, being under our house door or on the door, bring it there. And so we can, what we can do, so we can disable it or enable it. Then we need a box collider for our doors, which we did that. And we need to make it trigger, so be sure that is also trigger. And I think for now that's all, and then later we can adjust our light as well. So now let's go inside of our scripts. Here I'm going to right click and create a new C# script, name it door outline. Now let's open our door outline. Here we can write some variable, public game object door. Then we can also make a public game object door light. Then we want to get access to material, so public material, so normal material and this time outline material. So then we want to get access to our sprite renderer because of our material. And I'm going to call it SR. And also we want public pool player in range. And when player in range, so we can also open the door, or yeah, so we can go and change the scene. So it's, yeah. And here also we can change it instead of public to private if you want. Now, inside of start, we need to get access to our sprite renderer. So SR is equal to get component. And because the component is in children, so we need to write it in component in children. Then here, the component that we want to access is our sprite renderer in our children, and the next things that we need here at the beginning of the game, we want that SR dot material is equal to our normal material. So that means we don't want any outline at the beginning of the game. So now let's go inside of outside of our update. Here we need until 2D, and also I need until exit 2D. So instead of collision, I'm going to change it to other. And we are going to check if player in range. That means here we need to check if other dot compare tag, and that tag is our player. So let's also copy that and paste it here as well. Then player in range is equal to true. Here player in range and player going out of the box collider as player in range is false. And when player is in range, we want to change the material of our sprite to be outline material. And when the player is out of range, we want to change it back to normal material. So here, normal material. Then also we want to change the door light that set active to be false, and door open. What I did here, so I'm going to change it here, door open. Dot set active to be true, and just copy that paste it here. So when we our player is inside of our range, our box glider, door light that's set active to be true, and door open is set active to be false. We can, let's change it back to the door again. Yeah, it's better, because then we are going to just little bit become a dizzy. It's true, it's false. Okay. That's, when the player is in range, we want to deactivate the door, and when player is not in the range, we want to make the door is so true. Actually, here also we don't need the door, because if we disable that, we cannot see the outline. Okay, we just need to activate this one, so the door light. So then we are going here, activate the door. Okay. And in the update, we want to say if input dot get key down, and the key that we want to push is our key code dot e button, and our player is in range. Then we want to door dot set active to be false. Here we make the door to be false, and also we can later load to the new C. Load level or load to new cell, which we are going to add it later. So now save it. I think that's all we need for our door controller. Let's close it. So now let's go inside of our door. I'm going to attach our door outline to it. So first we want our house door, so that means I'm going to bring that one there. Then I'm going to be, we name it door light. Bring it to there. Normal material, we need this one, so spite lit default. I'm going to bring it there. Outline material, here we can write outline on that lit outline. Or going to our outline there and bring that one there. So now let's, the next things we need to go to the player. If you didn't have the player have on tag, so be sure that you change it to tag, because in our script we are going to search the object that has a compare tag of player. So now let's see how does it look like. As you see, when player going near door, the door outline is going to activate it. But here we need to fix that, because as soon as you are going, this light is going to activate it as well. We don't want that. And here, when you open the door, it looks like the door is open. Then after 1 second or 2 seconds, we can going back to we can going back to our new scene. So we are going to push the E button, after 2 seconds going back to the name, so our new scene. So now let's go back to our script. Side of a door. Here when play is going that, we want to set this one to there. So that means when we are going to push the button E and the play is in range, we want to make the door disable and door light to get activated. So now let's check it again. See the outline is when I'm going to open it, going to close it, we have a little bit of light, and when I'm going back, it's going to disable it. And if you want to see it better, let's a little change our sun. So I'm going to sign intensity a little bit to be down, like that. Before that, we need also to change the door light to be disabled. Yeah. And when I'm going near the door, we have a door outline, open it out. So the door is open, the player is going inside. And when we are going out of the range, we don't have an outline. And then I'm going to make it back to the debug. You can see here inside of our door, the player is in range. As soon player is going in range is inside of our box glider, it's going to get activated, out, deactivated. Open it, close it. And we can do the same things for all the other doors. So as a challenge, I want you to do the same things for other doors to make your game look more beautiful. We can also just duplicate this one, duplicate this door here. Let's just this door, duplicate it. Put it in the other door. And it's back to the normal. Here we can just remove that one, bring it top. I'm going to bring it there. Put this house door there. And we need to change the missing door to be this one. Exactly. You see that it's also work. Just need to adjust the square to the to come into the door. And what else you can also do, if you want, you can also go to the shader, get outline, so you can adjust also the outline. For example, here it's now yellow. You can put it at white, white if you want, maybe more intensity. So the door outlines become white. And if you want, you can change the color to some other color, like maybe red. See it become red, or you can make it to so green, or what color you want, purple, orange, yellow. I think I like yellow, or you can put it light, so white, and for the so for other stuff you can use the other color. So now just I need to make this square a little bit longer. To be in the size of our door, and the light I'm going to back it to there. So like that. Now, but don't do that when you are playing, just do it when you are not playing. So now guys, as a challenge, I want you to do for the last door as well. See you now in the next video.